Hey there guys, sorry I've been out, been in the hospital, out of the hospital, probably going back in the hospital. Had a lot of back problems and bone marrow problems and cell problems, and it's never ending. Anyway, I got my back brace, had some damage done in my back and my tailbone. Not sure what's going to happen, but I want to start making videos. And I want to thank a couple guys out there for signing up when I wasn't even making videos. I'll try getting videos out at least once a week, or maybe even every day, since I'm at home now for a little bit. And I got a couple things here to show you. I got Southward's new Max pick, same metal, different handle style. There's a look at that. Half diamond, half ball. Let's go ahead and start with the lock. It's going to be a knob lock. It's going to be a double wafer. I've also heard this lock called, or keyway style, called a Chicago lock. It's just basically a wafer lock on both sides. It's got wafers down here and wafers up here. It is open. It does work. Basically, you take this, clamp it on over the doorknob, and secure it that way. Here's a look at the key bitting. See that? Here's a look at the key bitting. Lock it up here. There, it's locked. See, that's locked. I'm just going to use a standard rigid tension tool, kind of long. And you want to go in here and break one side, break the other side. Set it. There we go. It's open. I'm sure you guys can see that. Turn. And it's open. I got a lot of stuff going on down here. But, yeah, sorry I haven't been making videos. Been in the hospital, like I said. And I got a lot of stuff going on. As you can see, I got my back brace on. It's been really hard, but hopefully I'll get some more videos out to you guys. And even if I go back in the hospital, I'll try to make a couple while I'm in there if I can. And I hope that I get healed up, and I'll be really, really thankful if I can get through this. Really thankful. And as always, you guys have a good one.